Hi, it's Anthony from OcuPlay.com, and today we're checking out the head strap foam pad for the Oculus Quest 2. This is an accessory for the stock soft strap of the Oculus Quest 2 to help increase the comfort of the stock strap. It's just like a padded material that attaches around the actual stock strap itself. So if you haven't opted for an Elite strap yet and you're looking for a little bit of extra comfort with the stock strap that comes with the Oculus Quest, this might be for you. So in the packaging, you get a small little leaflet on how to actually attach the strap to your Quest. And then you get the VR foam pad cover itself. This goes around the actual stock head strap around the back. It's really straightforward on how to get it installed. It's obviously matching the same color as your Quest 2. So let's get it installed and see how well it fits. So here we have the VR cover strap. We've got various velcro attachment points. These will eventually fold over and hook onto themselves. So we've got the stock strap reattached to our Quest 2. Good old days. We're going to quickly check out the instructions. So we align the front foam and the pad on both sides and then attach it. So what I recommend is that we attach the headset to our head just to make sure that the fit is right. So we've got the strap fitted to my head. Lay in the VR cover just like this. This is for the top strap. So I'm gonna probably best attach that first. So fold over and then attach it like this. Make sure that the VR cover logo is on the right hand side of the headset. Facing inwards, because basically that's going to fold over and attach itself to the back like that and show its logo off. And it's probably best that these pieces are actually in this pad, because that's where you want the protection with this particular headset padding. So that's pretty much it. That's the headset pad itself. Definitely lots of cushioning. And these bits are going to help with attaching it to the main head strap itself. And also you could probably hook things through here and attach a battery pack perhaps through this section here. That might help. This Velcro isn't that big enough to attach a bigger battery inside. Wouldn't want to do that because it's probably going to come loose, but it's definitely, you could loop something through this and attach a battery strap to the back if you wanted to. So let's get this fitted on our head and let's see how it feels. Right, so we got the VR cover head strap for the soft strap on the Oculus Quest attached to the back. Here it is, and it's more easier way to see it. Viewpoint. You got VR cover branding on the back once the flaps are actually over. You could reverse this and hide that if you wanted to. I think the head strap works both ways. But this is the way it's meant to be fitted. Like I said, you could probably loop something through here to attach a battery pack perhaps. There's also that little loop in the head strap anyway that you could utilize for that kind of purpose. But other than that, the fit is definitely a lot tighter, because if you set the head strap as you would do normally without the strap, and then you attach this, the amount of foam padding that you have on the actual padding itself is going to reduce it by that much, if that makes sense. So once you attach this head strap is going to feel a lot tighter. Whether you like that is up to you, but if you find that it's a bit too tight, you have to reopen these little sections here and just it might actually help if you actually attach the headset with that bit loose, so you can actually adjust the rear straps here just slightly and then reattach those pieces back over the top. And then that's probably a better way of doing it, so you get the right fit for your head. This one here for the top strap, probably less important because that's not really adding that much extra padding on the back there. But once it fits on top of your head, it's not too bad. it feels good. You definitely don't feel the plastic resizing elements to the back of the soft strap. They don't dig in anymore. I can't feel them now. So that's what this strap really should be helping you out with if you find that they dig into the back of your head. Top strap, I would prefer if this was a bit further up, because I feel it at the back, but I'd like to maybe feel it just a little bit further up. So I don't know, maybe an extra inch might give it a bit more extra support for the top of your head, because you definitely got it at the rear back top part, but it would be nice if it sort of carried over a bit further and gave you a bit more top strap comfort as well. But other than that, it's a nice addition to the head strap, at least for the soft strap. Obviously with the Elite strap not being available at the moment, you might still be supporting the soft strap unless you haven't gone for the Halo strap that we covered in an earlier review. So check that out if you're looking for an alternative head strap. But if you're still using the soft strap and you find that the end pieces are digging into the back of your skull, but you still like the general fit and the ability to like fold this all away and actually stow it away, you do get that luxury with the soft strap. This is a good alternative to improving the overall comfort. It costs €19 or $19, this soft strap cover, and it's not a bad addition. I mean, it's definitely a lot cheaper than an Elite strap option, and I think if you still prefer the soft strap and you want that little bit extra comfort on the back, then it's not a bad investment to make for it. Alright, so that's the VR cover, head strap, foam pad for the Oculus Quest 2. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, give us a like, give us a subscribe. It really helps us out, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Bye.